In this video I'm going to show you how to see the number of Snapchat friends that you have. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And first open up Snapchat app, and there at the bottom icons hit on map icon and next hit on gear. And now the first thing that you have to do is to disable ghost mode if it's enabled, and then hit on only these friends, and there you see all your friends list sorted by categories like recently added on your map, recents, and so on. And there all you have to do is hit on select all, and you can hit on select all on each of that categories and then hit save. Now there you can calculate that you got 2 guys as your friends and 53 other guys, so totally you have 55 friends. And now when you know the exact count of your friends, you can disable that mode. You can deselect some friends or hit there on just my friends or only these friends. You can deselect all and set up the ghost mode if you want. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.